Word, creative. The pronunciation is very easy. 3 syllables, and the emphasis on second syllable. Creative. Creative. The meaning of the word creative is having the ability or tendency to come up with new and original ideas, to think outside the box and to innovate. It implies being imaginative, inventive and resourceful in creating or designing something new. For example, she's a creative writer who can turn the most ordinary experience into a compelling story. The company's new ad campaign was a creative way to market their products. Hey, type your own sentence using the word in comment box.